He's going for it. We just put those blocks in there. The one block is like almost totally gone. Because I saw this guy in the other block earlier. I bet he did a lot of that damage because it was twice the size this morning. Oh, I don't see the groundhog anymore. I guess he went away. Sorry. Wasn't paying attention. Oh, bye-bye. There he is up in the tree. There he is. Yeah, he's wiping his beak off. See that? Cleaning himself up. Yeah, he got a nice little meal. Now we're going to clean up before he goes back to banging his head against the tree. Oh, how cute. All right, buddy, take care. And our beautiful forsythia. Ah, look at how beautiful and lush and thick. Whoa. How do you like that? Gorgeous, just gorgeous.